Okay, guys, so here's today's blast from the past. We're continuing with rewriting equations in the form y equals kx. Please use the sketch to answer your question. So you needed to determine the constant of proportionality for each. So the first question we have is 16x equals 8y. So remember, guys, the order of the equation doesn't matter. The goal is to get y by itself. So first you have to look for where the y is located. So notice that the y is on the right side. So you have to see what is the coefficient or the number next to the y. In this case is 8. Since this is 8 times y, to get rid of this 8 or undo multiplying by 8, we have to do the inverse operation, which is divide by 8. But whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So this becomes y equals 2x. Okay? So my constant of proportionality, or my k, is 2 for the first one. Okay? For the second one, we had 7x equals 14y, right? Same thing. Okay, you look for where the y is located because you want to divide by the coefficient that's next to the y. So in this case, it's 14. So I'm going to divide both sides by 14. Divide both sides by 14. This becomes y is equal to 7 over 14x. Okay. A lot of times when you get multiple choice questions around this, it will not give you the answer in this form. But what you can do, you can figure out the decimal, right? So if you just do 7 divided by 14 in your calculator, you will get 0.5. But for the sake of the answer, if you have put 7 over 14 for this problem, you're quite all right. But just keep in mind, as in problems you guys have seen already, they usually don't keep it with these larger numbers. They usually reduce it. So what you would do, you would just figure out which fraction is equivalent to your answer choice. But in this case, you can either use it as 7 over 14 or 0.5.